Hi everyone, welcome to Imis Kitchen. Today's recipe is potatoes and fresh sausages cooked in the oven. Let's prepare the ingredients. In this recipe, you need 1 onion. You decide the cut you like. Here, I cut it vertically and then horizontally with 3 cuts. One kilo of potatoes, peel them and wash them later. Then cut the potatoes in wedges. Not too thick so that they will be cooked fast. In a baking tray, put the sliced potatoes and also the chopped onion. Then season them with pepper, olive oil, some leaves of rosemary, and salt. Then give them a mix. Here in Italy, in place of pasta, potato is a good substitute. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification bell for more videos. Then add the fresh sausages in the baking pan. Distribute them properly. Prick the sausages with a toothpick in order that they will be cooked fast in the oven. Sprinkle it with more rosemary leaves before placing it in the oven. In the oven for 35 minutes at 210 degrees Celsius. By the way, this is our playful kitten, Michu. After 35 minutes of cooking, get the baking pan and flip the potatoes and sausages. Then return the baking pan again in the oven for another 15 minutes of cooking at 210 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes of cooking, it is now ready. This recipe is good for lunch and is compatible with green salad